How to check in on Expedia app. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide in how you can check in on Expedia app. Now the process is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. All you have to do is you want to open up your Expedia app. As you can see on the screen that I've opened up the Expedia app here. Now you want to sign into your account. Now as you can see here, you'll get the sign in or create an account option. If you already have an account, then you can simply sign in, and now here is what you want to check in. Maybe you want to check in on your flight details, or you want to check in on your bookings. Now the process is quite simple. I'll just explain you here because I'm getting a certain error right now on the app, so I'll just be guiding you through. What you want to do is at the bottom of your screen, you can see once you log in, once you log in, at the bottom of your screen you'll find the trips option. You can see the home option, trips option, notifications option, and account option. Simply tap on the trips option there, and once you tap on the trips option, you'll find the option find your booking. Simply tap on find your bookings there, and what you want to do is it'll ask you to enter your itinerary number. Simply type in your booking itinerary number, and once you do this, you'll be able to check in on your bookings. So this way you can check in on Expedia app. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.